That's actually probably.
Yeah. I mean,
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z. It's good to see you, Karate Chopper. Is that racist? You're Asian and stuff. I shouldn't assume that you know how to karate chop.
I'm like the least Asian of all Asians.
Is Oriental a word? Do people still say Oriental?
Yeah, back in the day when you owned slaves.
So Oriental's a slave thing?
No, I'm just kidding. I just made that up.
Like the Orient Express, is that still around? That's a train, I think, right?
Maybe.
Moving on. You know what we're going to do today, right?
Sandwich time.
Yeah, we're going to go find you another sandwich. I found another tuna sandwich for you. One of my friends who we're going to go pick up after we leave here mentioned this place called Sessions. It's a West Coast deli, apparently the only one in existence. But we're running a little bit late, so let's just get on the road. I'll talk a little bit about the place as we go, but we got to go meet Kelly at the gas station.
All right, let's go.
No more karate chops, that's racist. What are you even doing? Guy's gonna be waiting there for a year. Couple of updates. I'm wearing a new helmet. I finally retired my old 988. Finally, man. I've been wearing that helmet for years. Boss finally was like, dude, you know, you should be wearing the latest and greatest. The helmet you're wearing, we don't even sell anymore. We don't have that graphic. But I gotta tell you, I like that helmet so much that I never thought to change it. Never wanted to. We're in business, man. I'll tell you a little bit about the stuff that's on it as we go. So hopefully everything is right and it's working, right? This is kind of the maiden voyage on this helmet. Yeah, busy day today. First, we're gonna meet up with Kelly. You guys will recognize him from the dirt bike channel. This is the first time I've ever ridden with him on the street, so this is gonna be fun. And then I'm heading over to David's. Remember David from Metric Method and LUIMOTO? Yep, we're gonna go see him too. And then we're all gonna go out to lunch. We're gonna be a happy family. Let's see if Z wants to race to the white line. To the white line? Who's gonna win? Too easy. This close. Should we give him another opportunity? Let's do it again. Round 2. Fight. The truth is, that bike's a hard bike to ride, man. It's got a lot of torque, so you really have to know what you're doing. And he doesn't ride it that much. Have it all sorted out. Now we're underway. Let me tell you a little bit about the new helmet and all the stuff that's on it. Everything but the camera's new. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour with this. This helmet is the 988 matte black. It's a lot like the other one, just different graphic. I mean, the same model. The shield is extra dark. I love it. Let's move on down to the GoPro. I'm using a Hero 8. I gotta get around this car. What is this person doing? The Hero 8's the only thing that's not new on this setup. You'll notice I have something weird attached to it. It's a Polar Pro ND filter. Makes things look just right. Then you'll see I have the GoPro mic adapter, which is a silly thing to even have to buy, but we have to live with it. Got the latest and greatest from Senna. I replaced my 30 with the 50. It's my maiden voyage with this dude, so I can already tell you I'm gonna be pleased with it. Sound quality's way better. And attached to that's probably my favorite thing. Plug phones, the little wires flopping around. That's how I listen to my music. Plugs right into my Senna. They're basically earplugs that play music. I sell them on my website, and for those of you that have bought them in the past, you know what I'm talking about. From there, I have an Anchor battery. This is the candy bar one. I don't know, lasts all day long, no problem. Looks a little dumb, but you gotta do what you gotta do to keep the dream alive, right? What I'm talking to you guys through, it's a Purple Panda mic. Oh, and holding a GoPro on, it's Moto Rads. Hopefully the angle's right. I feel like it is. That's a quick rundown on my lid. Hopefully it's set up right. That's it. That's the stuff that I use to make these videos. I've got links to all this stuff on my website. Everything that I use to make these videos listed, man. Go check that shit out, man. Let's give Z the camera and see what he gets. Yeah. welcome back. I missed you. There's Kelly. Good to see you, sir. I didn't even know you rode street bikes. I thought you were just a dirt bike dude. So what are you riding? You got an R6?
The classic, you know.
Nice. Oh, I like this.
I mean, I used to work for a sign company, so I actually got some custom white carbon fiber vinyl and striped it.
It looks good, man.
Got my little KH right there.
I like that too. Kelly, today we're gonna go to Sessions. This is your spot. You came to me and said, you've been hitting delis. I got the deli for you.
It's been a minute actually since I've been there. I think they've changed the menu a little bit since the last time I've been there, but every time I've gone, it's been solid.
They have a meatball sandwich that I'm looking forward to. But I have a feeling today's gonna be a $50 day at the deli.
Oh shit, man. I just saw your face mask. I realized I didn't bring one.
Oh.
You're gonna die.
It's actually probably...
Yeah. I mean,
Did I kill you? Are you dying?
I'm gonna get you.
Are you all right? The tennis ball's under the Triumph if you want to throw it back at me.
Yeah, just...
No! It didn't work. Oh. It's a ticketable offense. Can you beat me to the other side of the intersection? Can you beat me? Let's go. That was a shitty launch on my end, but I think I got him. You want a rematch? How you doing today, sir? It's a fine day for a bike ride. All right. That's enough racing. Get ourselves in trouble. It's a ticketable offense. Oh, dude, I forgot to mention the giveaway. Why do I always do that? LUIMOTO giveaway. We're doing another one. Another gold gel. So many of you guys entered last week for the gold gel. We're going to do it again. The same shit. I love LUIMOTO. In the comments section below, want to know what the gold gel is? At the end of this video, I'm going to run a commercial for the gold gel. That way you know what the gold gel is. All you got to do, I love LUIMOTO in the comment section below. Simple. Simple, simple. If you haven't been using LUIMOTO's gold gel, you're really missing out, man. That shit is good. Missing glove on the corner of Metropolitan and Entertainment. What's up, buddy?
So, let's see. Damn, bro, you need some tires bad.
What? I got all kinds of life on that one. What are you doing, David?
We're gonna replace your fluid. Put some fresh fluid in there.
David's not with us. It's just us three, unfortunately. Bummer, right? I really wanted to ride around David, but he's busy, man. He had things going on. But what he did, man, he took some time. He worked on my bike. He's a good friend, man. I tried to pay him, wouldn't accept any money. Thanks, David. I know you're watching this video. I really appreciate you. You're a good friend. Glad to have you in my life. All right, the place we're going to, it's called Sessions, West Coast Deli. Their claim to fame is being the only legit West Coast deli. What's a West Coast deli? I'm not entirely sure. There's 3 locations. There's one in Huntington Beach, there's one in Irvine, and there's one in Newport. We're going to the one in Newport. There's a couple dudes that own this place, but I think it was founded, or is the brainchild of a dude named Matt Meddock. Looking at their menu, there's a couple of things I want to try. They've won a bunch of awards for one of their sandwiches called the Zypher. I don't remember what was on it, but all I know is if you want to add meat to it, you gotta spend an extra $2. The other sandwich I'm looking at, it's called a baller. It's a meatball sandwich. So Kelly, it's on you if this place sucks. I'll do the baller. And then he wants the Zypher with bacon or turkey?
Let's do bacon and no onions.
Bacon, no onions? Okay, so we have a tuna melt,
Yeah.
and we have a pirate cove.
Pirate Cove it is.
Alright Z, Sessions, what'd you think of your sandwich? What'd you get?
I got the tuna. They called it the Pirate Coast.
It was like a tuna salad sandwich.
It was a tuna salad sandwich. I couldn't really taste the tuna because it was masked by the pickled peppers that they had.
Yeah.
In my opinion, it was more like a veggie sandwich with tuna in it.
I'm guessing you wouldn't order it again.
Not my cup of tea.
Kelly, what'd you get?
I got the Zephyr. Yeah, that thing's solid.
Dude, that's an award-winning sandwich. You loved it?
It was very good.
I got the baller sandwich, and it was probably one of the best meatball sandwiches I ever had in my life.
Honestly, your sandwich looked the best out of any of them.
You tried my sandwich. What'd you think?
I took one bite, and oh my glorious of all
Yeah.
sandwiches,
You'll be back for that.
the baller.
The baller. Everything that you saw on the table, we got 3 sandwiches, 2 drinks, bag of chips, and some guac. Came out to just under 60 bucks. Super pricey, but we're in Newport Beach, man. The OC. All right, Kelly, good seeing you. I'll see you on the dirt, I'm sure, but we should do this again.
I'm down.
Yeah, you had fun?
Always a good time.
Don't forget in the comment section below, I love LUIMOTO for your chance to win some of their gold gel. It's good stuff, man. It's good stuff. And I want to thank all those that have stuck with me this far along in the video. You guys are the best, man. Really appreciate it. So, a lot of love to the Patreon's other channel. Thank you, guys. If you want to become a Patreon, I encourage you to do so. It helps me out so much. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. You know the drill. And new stuff all the time. You also find out all about the stuff that I use to make these videos. Please support the channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, just give them a shot. Look at them first. All right, guys. I'll see you next week. You ever notice on a hot day, whenever you're totally out of gas, you fill it up?
Cold?
Yeah. Your gas tank gets cold between your legs?
My legs just feel so nice.
I kind of like that feeling.
Have you ever overflowed your tank where it's like pissing while you ride?
Yeah, it happens a lot. I want to shoot gas at you, but I don't want to shoot my bike. So we'll drop a little for the homies right here.
Force field.
For the homies.